So post vaccination, we have been receiving calls from the patient that is there any particular diet I should take, and is there something you could recommend? So it's not only to the doctor, there are a lot of people who discuss with the dietitian, nutritionist. This is a common query, and I think it's quite valuable query because this is something new. We have been giving COVID vaccine only since this year. So there are a lot of queries on diet. First and foremost thing is, when you come for vaccination, on the day of vaccination, it's important that you eat properly and come. Avoid coming on empty stomach. So it's important you eat healthily and come. Second thing about after vaccination, is there any specific food I should take? Is there any restriction on my food? So generally in terms of dietary restriction, there is no particular food you have to avoid, but it is important that make sure you have a healthier diet in terms of making sure you take good amount of fruits, lot of vegetables. Non-veg also you can take, preferably prepared at home. We would suggest avoid processed food, avoid oily and spicy food, avoid takeaway foods, because we never know the type of preparation done in those kind of food. So again, these food are the food which will have a lot of inflammation developing because of this processed food and food which is highly oily and spicy. So those kind of food better to avoid. Overall, if your diet has been quite healthy in a long term, your immune system, which means your body has more mechanism to protect you against bad bugs, which includes viruses and bacteria, as well as develop good amount of antibodies. So our recommendation as a whole is to make sure you have a healthier diet, avoid processed food, and also drink plenty of fluids. There was also query about alcohol. Should I avoid alcohol pre and post vaccination? Again, there is no study done which says that you should avoid alcohol. But on the other hand, it is advisable not to take alcohol before and after vaccine. The reason is, it has been shown that alcohol can reduce your immune response. As we know, when we take the vaccine, we want it to develop antibodies inside our body and thereby improve the immune response. So when you take an alcohol, there is a possibility your immune response can come down. So it's better to avoid pre and post vaccination for few days. Also, it is important that you hydrate yourself very well. So this is a query about diet. So a healthier diet, lot of fluids, avoid alcohol and smoking would definitely be advisable.